How to fix HTTP error 503 service unavailable problem. Friends, whenever you open any website or anything in any browser, you may see a server unavailable problem here, which I will show you here. HTTP server error problem. So for example, if you open a browser and then open any website, here you will see this service unavailable problem. So we will tell you here how to fix it. First of all, let me show you the problem once again so that you can confirm what problem you are getting. So I open it here again, and as you can see, HTTP error 503 service unavailable problem. Okay, now let me tell you how to fix it. To fix this, first of all, we need to open the Play Store, and after opening the Play Store, we will click on search. You have to search for the browser on which you getting this problem, and after that we will update it. After updating it, we will go back, and here we will tap on hold on the browser for a will. We will go to app info, and here you will get an option for the 4 stop button. We will 4 stop it again. Here you will also get another option, cancelled storage. We will click here. Okay, so here we will click on it. After clicking on it, we will clear the cache. You can also clear storage, but for this you will have into browser again. If you want to do it, you can do it as will. After that, your problem will be fixed to a great exact. Please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe.